AS2S3 plus 7 NaClO3 plus 12 NaOH gives Na3ASO4 plus NaClO plus Na2SO4 plus 6H2O. They are asking you to find the equivalent weight of AS2S3. Now let us see, arsenic and sulfur are present in the arsenic sulfide. You have to see in the product side what is the arsenic containing product, what is sulfur containing product. So if I just take them into consideration, AS2S3 is going to convert into Na3ASO4, and the other one which can be taken is Na2SO4. So I can take this one as Na2SO4. So let us proceed by taking these two into consideration. So AS2S3 converting into, let us take individually, Na3ASO4. This is one. Same way, AS2S3 converting into Na2SO4. Okay, let us take these two. Now what we'll do is we will try to see the oxidation state of arsenic in this, oxidation state of sulfur in this. That's how we'll see difference. Arsenic in this particular one, it is in oxidation state of +3. Arsenic is in the oxidation state of +3. It is undergoing oxidation state of +3 to moving to +5 oxidation state. Arsenic is moving from +3 oxidation state to +5 oxidation state. Now sulfur in this case is moving from -2 oxidation state to +6 oxidation state. -2 to +6. Okay, now let us do a small change in this one. If I am taking this particular process, 3 to 5 is oxidation. There is no doubt in this. It is undergoing oxidation. 2 to 6 is also oxidation. There is no doubt in this. So both are undergoing same process. Two atoms in the same molecule undergoing the same type of process, oxidation. So the oxidation of arsenic is taken as valency factor 1. Oxidation of sulfur is taken as valency factor 2. So valency factor 1 is taken as change in oxidation state 5 minus 3 multiplied by atomicity of sulfur, number of arsenic atoms. Same way, valency factor 2 is difference in oxidation state. 6 minus of -2 becomes 6 plus 2 into number of sulfur atoms in the formula. Let us simply take this particular one. Valency factor 1 will become is equals to 2 into number of sulfur arsenic atoms, in this case is 2. So 2 into 2, this is equals to 4. Valency factor 2, if you take, this is going to be 8 into number of sulfur atoms in the formula is 3. So 8 into 3, that is equals to 24. Now what we are going to take? We are going to take the answer. Overall valency factor is equals to valency factor 1 plus valency factor 2, which is equals to 4 plus 24, which is equals to 28. After getting this, now the equivalent mass is equals to molecular mass by valency factor, which is equals to molecular weight by 28. So the answer is molecular weight by 28. So where we have this option, molecular weight by 28 is your answer.